What's up, Diva fam, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Obviously, you can tell by the title down below, we are going over my Ipsy Glam Bag X for the month of February. Now, obviously, with Ipsy, this is like their big box they have. They've got the regular Ipsy Glam Bag, then they've got the Ipsy Glam Bag X, which is 5 full-size products, and then they obviously have this big box right here. I apologize, my dog is barking his head off in the background. And then this is obviously the biggest one that comes about 4 times a month, comes quarterly, kind of in that type of sums it up of it all. But this month, obviously, when it comes to curating this, it was curated by Miss Addison Rae herself, the TikToker, the actress, the singer. But in general, this is her box that she curated with Ipsy. Obviously, she's also the co-owner of Item Beauty, which is also in collaboration with Ipsy and somehow that I've heard of. So I definitely know we have a few Item Beauty items that are in here as well. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and get into this video so you guys know the gist. If you like videos like this, give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to go ahead and hit that notification bell down below so you never miss a video with me, your girl Sandra D, and let's just go ahead and get into this. Alright, so like I said, we've got this big box here that has pretty much all the stuff in it. We also get a little pamphlet right here that tells us all the items that we could have gotten. I do know there's a few items that I did go ahead and pick out for myself, which I am super excited right off the bat. So one of the first items, I already kind of unboxed it or whatever it was and bagged it. It is this Ipsy like bag. It is some type of like satchel because it does have the actual straps that go with it. I'm not sure if I'll ever use it, but we shall see. Maybe this just might be an item that I give away to you guys instead. It just is, it's not me. It is me, but it kind of isn't me. I don't know. I just felt like when I went to go choose my items, I really didn't have that many options, and this was one of them. So for me, I think this is kind of sad for an item for us to choose from. Normally, they don't ever give us makeup bags, but this one is one. But I don't know. It just only has the 2 hooks that are right here for us, and then it just kind of, but I like more room. This is like really too small for me. But yeah, that is the first item. Then the second item, which I was stoked about. Actually, this is one of the items I did go ahead and choose. This is the Key sunglasses. This is in their hindsight sunglasses. They are worth $65. I've always wanted sunglasses from this brand because they're an Australian brand, and we know that we've seen plenty of our influencers or actresses. J-Lo's done something with them. Shay Mitchell's done a collaboration with them. Too many people have, and these sunglasses are just so cute. I can't wait to wear these in Mexico, and they also come with their own case and obviously a glass cleaner as well. So at least whatever you want to call it, whatever those are. So these are super cute. These are worth $65, and I am in love, so in love. Okay, so there is that. Then moving on to the next item that we have in here, it is the Color Wow Extra Large Bombshell Voluminizer. I'm not really sure what this does. It just says it's a formula, not a cream, not a gel. It contains no wax, alcohol, or brittle polymers or alcohol typically found in thickening products. High-tech formula utilizes a complete new inflatable, oh my god, new and flattable, that's what it says, flattable molecular chain technology that creates a weightless bulk. It is reinforced with a strengthening bamboo extract. Hair looks thick, voluminous, and feels naked and sexy. So something I can use. I definitely just got like a thickening spray though, I feel like, in my premium box. If I'm wrong, I don't think I am, because I definitely tried it out in that video. So I'm definitely going to make sure that I try this out at some point and let you guys know how it is. Hi, babe. I'm just going to finish this up. I'm almost done. Okay, there were a few items I did pick up on the side as add-ons, so I'm just going to go ahead and throw these over here to the side. And then the items that I did go ahead and buy, I think these are the ones that are in here. I forget how many items we're supposed to get. 8? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ooh, I dropped one on the floor. Okay, so the next item that is over here for us is a Tula product. I really do love Tula a lot. I have one of their under eye creams, their face wash, scrub, such great products. This is the 24/7 moisturizing hydrating day and night cream. I think I remember seeing this go on sale at Ulta at one point. So I'm excited to actually get this because you guys know I love skincare. and I'm kind of in like a capsule of skincare that I've been going through. I've just started a few new products because my other ones have ran out, so I'm definitely going to go ahead and put that back here. As for prices, you guys know I kind of just put it on the screen as I go, and then I will total it up at the end, but we are supposed to get a really big value in this box. I remember watching Allie Dawson's video, something about like $469, so I don't know if that's actually going to be true, but we'll just keep on going. Then the next item in here is the Super Melt Lip Jelly Mask. This is by Kinship. Allie, I think this is something she said that she chose as well. I don't remember if I chose this or didn't choose this, but I definitely was intrigued by it. It's a lip jelly mask. And I'm pretty sure it's just something that you use at nighttime. Apply to lips daily and smile. So I'm always down for some luxurious lip products. I'm definitely going to go ahead and keep that. Then the next one is in here is the Stay All Day Smudge Stick Waterproof Eyeliner. This is in the shade Stingray, which I think it is just a typical black. I don't know if I have another liner like this right now at the moment. I think I actually only have one in my collection, so I'm definitely going to go ahead and keep this. Again, it's by Stila. I don't know the prices. Like I said, I'll put it up on the screen for you guys. So put that over there to the side. Then we have another item in here. This is the MZ Skin Hydrolonic Brightening Eye Complex Serum. So I already have a few eye brightening products that are in my collection, so I'm definitely going to go ahead and pass this on to you guys for the giveaway. So there is that. Then the next item in here is the Aceology Multivitamin Brightening Biodegradable Mask, if I said that correctly. It looks like there are a few sheet masks that are in here for us. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4 sheet masks. I definitely need to get back into doing sheet masks again, so I'm going to go ahead and keep this and add to my collection because I've definitely dwindled them out since I've been like giving them out as presents and gifts. So we're going to go ahead and keep that. Then the last item actually that is in here for us is the Item Beauty On The Daily Eyeshadow Palette. So I have owned the Item Beauty bronzer. I've owned like a few Item Beauty items. I hate saying that in a sentence. The setting spray, and then this is the eyeshadow palette. I was able to actually choose this one. So let's go ahead and get this out of the packaging really quickly. And this is what it looks like. So it's a very neutral, a lot of browns. I'm not really obsessed with this palette though, I'm gonna be honest. But again, my mom has been asking for like neutral palettes and palettes that have shimmers in it. So I think I'm going to go ahead and pass this on to my mom as well, because it's something that she's been really wanting, and we just had a discussion about it the other day when I went to her house. So I think that's another palette that I can go ahead and pass on to Mother Dearest, because again, she deserves it. And I get all this stuff all the time, so whatever I can give to her, I definitely want to go ahead and do that. So as for the price value of this box, I would gladly go ahead and put it on the screen. Was it worth it? I'm gonna be honest, those sunglasses, in love with. As for everything else, the Tula product, okay, I'll give it the sunglasses and the Tula product I already pay for like this. As for did Addison Rae actually really steer us in the right way, I'm gonna be honest, this was like a flop. I'm probably going to end up giving this to you guys and putting the makeup products into it. So there's that in the giveaway. Yeah, so we'll review everything that's in the giveaway. The last few things, I picked up a few extra items though. I picked up a travel size roller lash. I also picked up a brow gel for me to try here in the future. And then also the iconic London sheer blush. But I was curious if I already had this in my collection, because I had something the other day that I looked at, and I don't know if it is the same one or not. And if it is, I should just smack myself for that one. But it's not. They're two different shades. This one is in Fard Delphine. I think that's what it says. And then this one, let's open this one up really quickly and see what the color shade in this is. They kind of look exactly the same. Oh my goodness, I think they are the same now that I think about it, because I don't see the shade on this. This says Rose Riot, but then this other one doesn't have anything on it. But they look very similar, which is really weird. Okay, let's just go ahead and look at the back. I got duped. They are the same. I didn't realize that. So I have a duplicate of a product in my collection. Sandra, Sandra, what were you thinking? Honestly, because it didn't have a shade name on it, so I wasn't thinking, I guess. So there's that. So I guess I've got a dupe of that. Other than that, that's pretty much it. So let's just go ahead and go over the products for this month's giveaway. So like I just told you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and putting the makeup products in here for you. The other item is this Lash Serum by a brand called Dime Eyelash Boost Serum. So there's that. I gotta grab for all this stuff over here. I've got the lip scrub, the detox mask, and then the other product I'm gonna go ahead right here for you guys is that eye cream. And then I did find something that was in a box that I forgot that was set off to the side, because apparently it was for a giveaway that I never ended up doing because I went on vacation. So I also have this huge contour palette for you guys. Actually, it's by the brand Cab. You can find Cab Beauty, I believe, in Walmart. And when I looked, I forgot what the value of this palette was, but I feel like it was somewhere like in the $60 range, something like that. At least this wasn't available in store. This is available actually online only. So this will be the last item in the giveaway. So yeah, this big palette, which is a contour palette, let me go ahead and show you guys. It is the Cab Cosmetics Volume 1 contour palette. And then when I open it up, this is what it looks like. So again, some really good shade combinations for you guys, depending on what your skin tone is. So hopefully this works for you. If it doesn't and you win the giveaway, please let me know so I can put something else in the giveaway for you, and then pass this along to someone else if this actually fits your skin complexion. So again, I'm going to go ahead and put this in here. I did go ahead and choose the giveaways for last month, and those people already claimed their prizes, and they've already been shipped off. So that's really fun. I shipped off the one for last month to Oklahoma, and then I recently just shipped off a package over to the Philippines, which was really awesome. So again, that is everything that will be in this month's giveaway. So what did you guys think about this box? Did you think Addison Rae did a really good job in curating it for us? Or was it even worth the value? I apologize. I thought I was about to burp at the same time. I don't know what that was. I lost a gasp there. But yeah, without further ado, again, I appreciate you guys stopping by and being here. So thank you guys so much, and I will see you guys in the next video. But before that, you guys know the gist. If you like videos like this, give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to go ahead and hit that notification bell down below so you don't miss a video with me, your girl Senior D, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!